tool here, and it's the non-pointy straight end I'm using, and there's 2 jets on each side of the car, and the holes are very fine. So I've got in there, can you see that? And I've already cleaned this in fact, but there was a bit of resistance. These tools are quite breakable, so you've got to be kind of gentle with them. Make sure you get the right angle. This is a Ford Focus. I'm just working in and out. These holes get blocked by the products used in cleaning cars and other dirt, especially if you have you've got a real problem if you use one of these protectors, permanent shine for cars that you can buy that give your car an extra. I mean, all of the cleaning products tend to block these jets. To say this is a tool because it's got to be very fine. These are very fine holes. If I'm rough with this, I'm just going to break off the end there. The tool only costs a £5, but it's all the same. It's you don't want to break them, so I just work in and out. Now on our other car, the holes were totally blocked because we'd had a process called Quick Bright, which protects the paintwork and guaranteed. Diamond Bright, I think it's called. On our other car, which is a Mercedes, you can adjust the angle of the jets. You can't on these. The jet should arrive in the upper middle of your windscreen.